Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a day in the life, a vlog with me and Jackson, and this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry. Now you guys know I've partnered with them before. I love their jewelry pieces. I've been wearing this mama jewelry piece since I think September when they sent it to me, and I wear it every day. I take a shower with it. I've been to the beach and the pool, and it's lasted all this time, so I'm obsessed. Their jewelry is great quality, but I am partnering with them to tell you guys about their Mother's Day sale. I did just become a mother last year, so this year it's very special to me, and I hope that it's very special for you guys, anyone who's a mother out there or who wants to give something to their mother or loved ones. Ana Luisa is having a 15% off of their website starting April 12th. So you can click the link in my description box below, analuisa.com/curlsmd, to get 15% off. Now Mother's Day is May 9th, so you might want to hurry up and get your orders in. The last day for guaranteed shipping is May 9th, so yes, make sure you check out that link in my description box. So now I'm going to show you guys a few of the pieces that they sent me, and I'm so excited. I love all of their pieces. Another thing that I love about their products is that they are very affordable. Their prices start at $39, which is very affordable for some quality jewelry. Like I'm telling you guys, I literally wear this every day and I never take it off because I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the jewelry pieces that I received, and I did get a lot of bracelets just because I wanted to add something different that I normally wear. Let me show you guys what it looks like on, and then I'll have all of the details and the names of everything listed. What it looks like on. It's very cute, very simple. I love it. So this is what it looks like. I hope it's focusing. This is what it looks like. It's gold as they should, but this is what they look like. And these are different. This is something I wouldn't normally get, but I was like, let me just get something a little different. Bracelet as well. So yeah, that's it. As I said before, I love Ana Luisa. They have amazing quality products for an amazing price. They are doing what they can to help the earth be a better place, which is amazing. So don't forget, Mother's Day is coming up. If you want an amazing lasting gift to give to your loved one or for yourself or for your mother, then make sure you go check out the link in my description box so you can get 15% off of your order. All you have to do is type in analuisa.com/curlsmd to get your 15% off. Thank you again, Ana Luisa, for partnering with me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so now I've already went ahead and worked out. I got up at like 7 o'clock today to work out because hubby was here, so I tried to take advantage. I worked out, I washed my hair, so now my hair is just air drying, and I ate. I had some avocado toast with egg and a little veggie patty or veggie sausage. So right now, Jackson is in his bouncer. Say hi, Pumpkin. Say hi. Say hi. And he is watching Cocomelon. I normally put that on. Let me turn it off. I normally put it on while I'm working out because it's just easier. So that's a tip. If you guys are a stay-at-home mom or if you're just trying to work out with baby, try and put them in a swing or a bouncer and then just turn on some Cocomelon, and he loves it. So he's good in there for 30 minutes, so yeah. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and make some juices because we did go to Costco the other day, and normally we have a juicer, so I like to juice now. So I'm gonna do like an orange, carrot, apple, and then another one is going to be celery, some lettuce. What else do I put? Cucumber, lemon, and apple as well. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm probably gonna put him, hi Pumpkin, probably gonna put him in his high chair just so he can see me. Or maybe I'll leave him over here because if he sees me sometimes, he wants to get out and he wants me to hold him. So yeah, let's get. I'm gonna see if he wants the celery stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off all of my fruits and veggies so I can just have that ready. So for the orange carrot, you're gonna need, if you wanna recreate this, 8 carrot sticks, 4 oranges, and 2 apples. I might just do double of everything so I have enough to last. And then for the green juice, it's going to be 2 apples. 2 apples. Maybe I'll do two cucumbers, which I have the really big cucumbers from Costco. Maybe I'll do 2 bunches of lettuce, and then I think it's like 8 celery sticks. I normally just do like a handful of celery sticks, but yeah, we'll see. And then like half a lemon, maybe some ginger. I don't know. So I'm still trying to rinse off everything, but this little guy started getting fussy, so I'm gonna see if I can, hey, put him in his crib while I get everything done. He doesn't normally sleep in there, so we'll see if he lets me put. I'm 15. Let's see how long he takes a nap. He is about to be 8 months on the 1st of next month. So he has been skipping naps like crazy, and I need him to take his naps because that's like the only time I can get things done. Okay, so I finally finished getting everything ready. I have my oranges, carrots, and apples. I'm gonna go ahead and start juicing it. Alright, so I went ahead and it made this much. It's the green juice, but it made 2 of these. And then since I had some left over from the orange carrot, I went ahead and mixed the orange carrot with the green juice. And I didn't think it would taste good, but it actually tastes pretty good. So I might just make that one a staple, but it looks like poo-poo. But it tastes so good. Jackson is still sleeping, surprisingly. It's been like an hour now, so I'm probably gonna take out the trash. I'm debating if I want to start cooking because he's probably gonna wake up. Alright, so he just woke up from his nap and he's being surprisingly chill. You put your pacifier back in by yourself? Is that Mama's baby? Come here. I love you. Let's get you out. Good boy. Mwah. Mwah. How was your nap? How was your nappy? You did good. You slept for a long time. Mama's proud of you. Does he look like me, you guys? Let me turn this off. Say hi. Hi. So I'm probably gonna feed him and then give him some food, or maybe we'll go play. It all depends on, yeah, he's ready to eat. So, oh, I love you. Yeah. All right. See you later. Hi, baby. So I just fed him and put him in his bouncer while I did a little bit of stuff. And we're probably going to give him like a little smoothie, and then we're going to go upstairs and play. Get that hand out your mouth. Are you pooping now? But yeah, so about to give him a smoothie. And then we're going to go upstairs and play for a little bit. And then I'll probably do his little pool. Try and blow up his little pool maybe when he's taking a nap. I don't know. I'm so tired. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.